What's up, viewers? It's your favorite local friendly support guy, Shub. Today we're back again with another special demonstration that covers the deployment of hardened products. But first, what is a hardened product? Hardened product is a device that is able to uphold the integrity of your network regardless of the conditions. These conditions can be anything from temperature to vibrations or even electromagnetic interference. Today we're going to do a demo for you where we explore the temperature condition and hit the two extremes. We're going to go from super cold to super hot. Let's go look at the setup here. We have a freezer that is running at negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit. In the middle, we have a hot box. This is running at 160 degrees Fahrenheit. And over here, we have a laptop that simulates your network administrator who's managing the network. But how are these connected, Shub? Well, the laptop is connected to the hot box, and the hot box connects to the laptop, all over Cat5 Ethernet cable. And what it simulates is that you have data packets that are going from cold environment to a hot environment, and then to your network administrator. Before we get started, let's make it even colder. But safety first. I think I might have put a little too much dry ice in there. Now, let's go look at the results of our test. Let me go ahead and start the test, and then I'll explain what is going on. This computer over here is sending traffic to this computer here, but that traffic is going through the cold environment first, then it goes through the hot environment, and then it reaches the laptop over here. So let me go ahead and stop the test. And now let's look at the results. This network was testing throughput of 100 Mbps. And as you can see, these EtherWAN switches, they're able to maintain 95 to 100 Mbps of throughput, even while at these extreme conditions. And now, if you were to do the same test with the competitor switch, you could see that the results are slightly different. As you can see, the average throughput is approximately 60 to 80 Mbps, and we have certain instances where we have heavy packet loss. What that means is that you're losing connectivity to your end devices when it truly matters the most. So the next time you're designing networks in extreme conditions, hit up the EtherWAN team and we'll design reliable networks together. Thank you for watching. I hope you like our video. See you on the next one and make sure to have a nice day.